Welcome everyone, let's add the back tap feature in our iPhone. So you're going to open up the settings app and we're going to use the search right here and we're going to search for back tap. You're going to see here touch, just tap on the touch, boom, and from here you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom until you see back tap. Tap on back tap and now you have the double tap option and the triple tap option. Keep in mind, depending on your case, the back tap may not work well. I have a semi-thin case, it works okay, but it's not going to be 100%. The best results is without a case, so just keep that in mind. And once you tap on double tap, you can just choose the option and you just double tap, boom, and it'll do what you want. So I have it set to a control center. Works most of the time. It's actually pretty darn accurate, if I'm being honest. Like, I don't need to tap that hard. I mean, okay, that time it didn't work, but it works most of the time. I've tried it like 20 times there and 19 of those worked. You can also assign triple tap and double tap at the same time if you'd like. So double tap, triple tap, boom, it's pretty darn cool. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.